You want to think in English? Well, you need to use your hand. Think in English using your hand. Yes, that's right. In your hand, you have perfect English sentences. Do you want to see how? You can communicate very clearly, making sentences with 5 components, 5 elements. Like fingers, 5 fingers, 5 elements in a sentence. Each finger represents a letter. S, V, O, L, T. I mean subject, verb, object, location, and time. What do you mean? What is a subject? What is an object? Location? Time? Can you please explain? Subject, person or thing performing an action. Verb, the action itself. Object, the person or the thing that is the recipient of the action performed by the subject. Location, where is the action taking place? Time, when is the action taking place? Let me give you some examples. My boss is having a meeting in Barcelona right now. Subject, verb, object, location, and time. All you have to do next is to connect one sentence with another. For example, my boss is having a meeting in Barcelona right now. So, I cannot see him until tomorrow because he is coming back to the office tomorrow morning. The more you repeat this process, the more you use it, the easier it becomes. You are creating a habit, the habit of thinking in English without thinking in English without thinking in your native language. So keep going, keep improving your English 1% every day. You are creating the habit of thinking in English without thinking.